Oftentimes when we're dealing with severe weather, you may see meteorologists use these graphics on air. Well, where do they come from and what do they mean? They come from the SPC or the Storm Prediction Center, and the Storm Prediction Center is a government agency that forecasts the risk of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes, and the graphics we use are called Convective Outlooks. What is a convective outlook? Well, the Storm Prediction Center issues these to predict where non-severe and severe storms could happen. There's up to 5 levels of the possibility of seeing these severe storms, and they're forecasted up to 3 days in advance every single day. Updates are sent out multiple times per day. Now, let's go back to that graphic we were looking at earlier. This is the convective outlook for March 15th. You can see the light green and then the darker green circles. Well, the light green is just your everyday normal thunderstorm, and the area that is covered in that green means that there is a chance of seeing thunderstorms today. Well, the darker green is actually a level 1 marginal risk of seeing severe thunderstorms, and I'll go into more detail on the next graphic. You can see level 1 shows isolated severe storms are possible and there's a low tornado risk. Now it goes up to a level 5 where widespread severe weather is expected, tornado outbreaks are possible, and high wind is also possible. These are pretty rare. We did, however, see our very first category 4 of the year on March 13th down in Texas, and that was actually where a tornado outbreak occurred. These are to be taken seriously, and they can really help meteorologists figure out whether or not they need to issue a severe thunderstorm watch. Well, what's a severe thunderstorm watch? Let me explain a little bit more on that. That means you need to be prepared because weather conditions are favorable for severe weather to form. When a watch is issued, it does not mean that severe weather is happening at that moment, and it also does not mean you're going to absolutely see severe weather. It just means you need to be prepared and stay weather aware.